This video will guide you through the creation of activity statements in bulk for both APS Elite and Reckon APS tax products. To prepare for the creation of activity statements in bulk, you will first need to request and have received the ASLRPT from the ATO. As I navigate to the Tax Agent Console Agent Forms page, we can view the most recent ASLRPT request and when we have actually received this back from the ATO. If you don't have access to the Tax Agent Console, you can navigate to Standard Reporting and view the ASLRPT summary or detail reports from here. Now let's go to our Tax Manager console and create the activity statements for these clients. Within the Tax Manager console and shown under the Action menu, you will now find Bulk Create Activity Statements. If you don't see this and you are on Tax 2019.4 and above, make sure you have been granted sufficient Joe admin rights to see and use this new function. Click on the Bulk Create Activity Statements. The Bulk Creator window will display, and this may be blank, so make sure you select the correct year, period, and agent first. The period field contains the months from January to December. The system will match the end date on the ASLRPT with this period. The default period is blank. The agent field displays a filtered list showing any tax agents that have an ASLRPT downloaded. This will only show the most recent ASLRPT downloaded data. An APS tax checkbox will be enabled if APS tax is installed. This is defaulted to be ticked, which means the returns created will be for APS tax. If this checkbox is unticked or disabled, an Elite activity statement return will be created. Once all the drop-down menus have been selected, the utility will filter the downloaded report and display it on screen in the grid. It will automatically select the matters if there is any. Also, if there are multiple tax launch matters used with your clients, there will be a drop-down list showing which matters are available for you to select. The last two clients in this screen do not have a year-based tax matter attached, so we cannot create the activity statements until this has been done. To export this list to Excel, click on Export. To create the activity statements in bulk after selecting the required clients, click on Create. A report will be instantly created for you to view or print and save. Click on Close to proceed. Back in Tax Manager, we can now see the placeholder returns that have been created with the status of rolled over. These returns will be empty. In order for them to be pre-filled with ATO data, these returns will need to be changed to an editable status like Started. When a placeholder return in the Started status is in the process of opening, Tax Manager will invoke the pre-fill service from the ATO. This service will get the DIN number associated to the return and will use this DIN to get the pre-fill record from the ATO server. Once the service is complete, the information obtained will be pushed to the return. The return will then open with the ATO pre-filled data for the activity statement. Should you again open the Bulk Activity Statement Creator, you will now see the existing returns are listed, as well as any other returns that have yet to be managed or created. We have also created additional training collateral for you with the document named Bulk Activity Statement Creation Guide. It covers everything in this video, as well as explains a series of different scenarios that you may be presented with, such as when the data in the ATO report does not match what is being stored in practice management, like the division number, This document will guide and instruct you on how to resolve each situation. You will locate this document in our tax software installation files. Thank you for your time.